Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart a battle in Expedition 33. There will be many instances of you playing the game and you're gonna find yourself wanting to restart in the middle of battle. There are two options of restarting a battle. First would be to press escape and abandon the fight. This will give you an option to retry the battle or not. The second one would just to press the flee button there at the bottom left. You just have to make sure that your expedition's turn is close to one another for everyone to do the flee action in quick succession. Once you've fled the battle, you'll find the enemies right in front of you again, ready for action. Initiate the battle or run into them and the battle will start once again. As an additional note, when it comes to dungeons, if you complete a fight with some enemies and you want to do the fight again, you can approach an expedition flag and then press rest. This will refresh the entire dungeon's enemies, save for the mini-bosses, the tanks, and mimes. Those will never pop up again after you beat them. And that's about how to restart a battle in Expedition 33.